A lot of our patients were having to go outside of Artesia or Artesia General's reach. The need for an updated CT was huge.
My favorite is the fact that the bore's huge. Like, it's very big. The weight limit's higher. Even if you don't center the patient perfectly on the table, you can move it side to side without having to scoot the patient. So you can move it behind the scenes. So if you center and they're not perfectly centered top to bottom, in the machine you can move the line yourself, and then it will move the table itself within the gantry. So you don't have to do it while you're in the room. It's faster. It's a lot faster, makes it quicker jumping to patient. It's not as slow, and we're able to schedule more patients within a day than we were beforehand because it's a lot quicker. It runs smoother, it runs faster. It just makes it easier on patients. They don't have to travel, they don't have to commute, they don't have the gas money, you know, it's all here, it's all local. Brown's Medical Imaging has been great. They are like, here's my number, give me a call. So like, they're great.